Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we are introducing a professional refrigerator recycling line. With the rapid replacement of household appliances, discarded refrigerators are increasing worldwide, and they contain valuable metals, plastics, and polyurethane materials. Therefore, an efficient, safe, and eco-friendly recycling system is essential. Our recycling line includes feeding, shredding, foam treatment, magnetic separation, and eddy current sorting. The entire process is fully sealed to prevent freon and PU dust leakage. During shredding, refrigerators are crushed rapidly and evenly for full material liberation. Next, the material enters a hammer crusher for fine crushing and full material liberation. The crushed mixture goes into a zigzag separator, where lightweight plastics are removed. The magnetic separator removes ferrous metals, producing clean iron. The eddy current separator accurately separates aluminum and copper with up to 99% purity. The entire line operates efficiently and stably, significantly improving resource recovery. Contact us for more information, and we will provide a customized solution for your business.